The Duterte Youth Party list not backing down despite the odds. The Comelec 2nd Division earlier canceled the group's registration for failing to meet accreditation requirements. On Billionaire News channels at the forefront, Duterte Youth Chairman Ronald Cardema said they will file a motion for reconsideration before the Comelec on bank. But he admits they are not expecting a favorable ruling. Duterte Youth was in second place in the party list race, but their proclamation was suspended pending ruling on a disqualification case.
Bakit kayo nagde-delay ng proclamation? Under the law, kumbaga ang trabaho ng COMELEC, i-supervise ang eleksyon, bilangin ang boto, tingnan kung sinong nanalo, at proklama yung nanalo. I am confident na ilalaglag tayo dyan sa NBank na yan.
Despite the presiding officer in the 2nd Division dissenting from this decision that came out canceling Duterte Youth registration?
Kasi medyo kahit naman po hindi tayo abogado, kahit yung mga tagapakinig natin na ngayon dito sa programa hindi abogado, makikita nyo pinopolitika lang tayo.